Today we will talk about the HGH Activator. We Products Reviews have prepared a complete review video with everything you need to know before buying HGH Activator. I also have some really important alerts which I will talk about throughout the video, so pay close attention to not making mistakes when using or purchasing HGH Activator. The first thing you need to know about HGH Activator is, be careful with the website that you will buy, because HGH Activator is only sold on the official website. To help you, I left the link to the official website below in the description and comment attached to this video. So what is HGH Activator, and it really works? And the answer is yes, HGH Activator works, and after many laboratory tests, the researchers have identified that there is a natural formula with concentrated ingredients that will help in the production of HGH in your body. You who are over 40 years old who want to have the appearance of wrinkles disappearing and the surface of the skin shining, help increase lean muscle mass while reducing unwanted fat, and feel younger and full of energy. It doesn't matter what body type you have, or what other products you've tried. With HGH Activator you will get the following amino acids: L-arginine, L-lysine, L-glycine, L-glutamine, colostrum 30% LGG. And with HGH Activator you will have the following improvements: memory, alertness, motivation and concentration. The skin becomes firmer. Wrinkles almost disappear and both hair and skin shine and thicken. Reduces body fat and increases lean muscle mass. Increases sexual arousal, stamina and better orgasms for men and women. Boosts energy and strengthens the immune system. Improves bone density and reduces joint pain. So yes, you can trust this product. There are many people who have great results with HGH Activator, including on the official website contains numerous testimonials from customers who have used HGH Activator, and you can have results too. However, you need to keep in mind that each body will react in a unique way. This is a bit obvious, but I'm telling you this so that you are realistic about your treatment and expectations. There is something really important about this product that you need to know before you buy it. You can actually test HGH Activator for 180 days, and if you don't see results or if you don't like it for any other reason, they will give you back your money. So be sure to use the HGH Activator, but be sure that you are buying on the official website to ensure the benefits of the warranty. Also, for HGH Activator to work, you need to take the treatment seriously. You need to take it every day, once a day, so that your body produces HGH for 24 hours, or else you won't see great results and you'll really get a little frustrated. You can see the initial results in the first month, but do not look for more than 1 month, because within 2 to 3 months using this product, you will surely notice difference. Also important for you to know, HGH Activator has no side effects as it is natural. So I decided to record this video first to tell you to be careful with the site that you will buy HGH Activator, and also if you buy the product, do the exact treatment, take it seriously. Remember to keep in mind that your results will be very different from any other person because your body acts in a very unique way. I really hope this video has helped you, and also hope that HGH Activator really help a lot to improve your life and many other benefits that this product promotes. And if you want to receive more content like this, subscribe here in this channel. Thank you for watching this video. See you soon.